A few weeks ago, a friend of mine reached out. 4 of his channels had been terminated, all at the exact same time. He was making around $20,000 a month with AdSense, which dropped down to zero. He submitted an appeal, and within 5 minutes, it got rejected by YouTube's automated system. Creator support stopped replying to his messages, and all he got back were automated replies. His AdSense account was permanently disabled, meaning all of his channels connected to it were terminated as well. Just like that, his income was gone, his channels were gone, and he was forced to start over from zero. Now here's the thing, this wasn't even his fault, and it's not a rare situation. This happens to serious creators all the time, and the scary part is, it can happen to you too, if your setup looks anything like his did. But in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact legal structure that big YouTubers use to protect themselves from this. This is done through setting up multiple AdSense accounts and separating the risk. And this is a Google-approved, completely legitimate structure. As you might have heard, you can only set up one AdSense account per person. If you try to create multiple accounts under the same personal name, that is not allowed and can get you banned. But this is where most people get it wrong. This rule only applies at the personal level. A company is its own separate person in the eyes of the law and can have its own AdSense account. So what we're doing here is not bypassing the rules. This video is simply for creators who are already scaling multiple channels and want to actually protect what they have built. So I'm going to walk you through the full structure, the legal framework behind it, how to set up your entities, and how to apply for AdSense with these businesses. Now, the core problem is that AdSense doesn't operate at the channel level, it operates at the account level. So if one channel gets terminated or flagged or hits a policy violation, Google doesn't just take down that one channel. They can suspend the entire AdSense account along with every channel that's connected to it. Another reason this is so dangerous is because of how YouTube's moderation system actually works. It is AI driven. False positives happen constantly. Appeals are handled by bots, rejected within minutes, and getting a real human to look at your case is basically a luxury. You have no control over the system. You're fully dependent on an automated process that doesn't know your history, your content, and your business. So what you're looking at here is a single point of failure. All of your channels are funneled into one AdSense account, and one mistake can wipe out everything that you've built. And that is the real risk. And you can't really fight this system. So instead, our solution is to structure your business in a way that one failure can never take everything down at once. So the fact that a business entity can hold its own AdSense account is something that we can leverage. The way you do that is by setting up multiple companies. For most people, regardless of your country, the best option is a US LLC. This creates a separate legal entity that can have its own employer identification number, an EIN, which is basically the business equivalent of a social security number. And from Google's perspective, it's not you applying again, it's a completely separate business applying for the first time. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Is this legal? Is this even doable? And am I suddenly paying taxes in the US? And this is completely legal. Google accepts these business entities owned by foreign owners. You don't need to be a US citizen to open a US LLC. As setting these up as a non-resident is actually a lot easier than most people think. I'll get more into that later, but it's just standard business structuring, the same way large media companies operate. So this is what the actual structure looks like. As you can see at the top, you have yourself as the owner. Under that, you have here, for example, 3 separate LLCs. All of these are owned by you directly, or alternatively through a holding company. And each of these LLCs is its own independent entity. And that means its own separate business address, its own email, and its own dedicated business bank account. From each of these LLCs, you then create a separate Google AdSense account. So LLC 1 will have an AdSense account, LLC 2, LLC3, and so on. Each one is completely independent. And then instead of linking all your channels to one single AdSense account, you split them across these entities. So for example, you could do 2 channels to AdSense 1, 2 to AdSense 2, and then 2 other channels to AdSense 3. And this is what creates the separation. But one thing a lot of people overlook is the email linkage. Make sure you're also using different Gmail accounts for your channels, because the email is another connection point. If multiple channels are connected to the same email address and one of them gets flagged or terminated, you can put the other channels under that same risk as well. So keep the AdSense separated, the entity separated, and the email separated. Then when it comes to payouts, each LLC will receive its own revenue into its own business bank account. From there, you can then distribute the money to yourself as the owner or route it into a holding company if you have that as a structure. Now, I also want to show you some case studies of other big YouTubers actually using this structure. For example, here, I found this thread of Noah Morris, who said he lost $40,000 a month in YouTube channel revenue because someone falsely struck his channel 3 times. And most importantly, what he mentions here, like I said, if your channel gets terminated, YouTube takes down all the channels associated with the AdSense the channel was connected to, which is why we create a separation. Here you can see a structure he describes having 3 AdSense accounts, but he connects it to a management account, which makes kind of managing it easier. Here as well, same structure. He has one holding LLC with 3 separate LLCs linked under it with the separate AdSense accounts. And what he then has is basically all these separate channels, but he has one like 4th email address, which is separate, and he adds that email address to all the channels as a manager role. So he can still access all the channels from one single email just for ease of use, but is not actually connected to it as the owner of the channel with that email address, which still creates the legal separation. Then when it comes to the actual setup, everything starts with forming the LLC. But the good thing is, it doesn't matter if you're a US citizen or a non-resident like me, this works for everyone. And the 2 states I typically recommend the most are Wyoming and New Mexico. Both of these states are known for strong privacy, and you're looking at 0% state income tax, which makes them very attractive. What you're going to do is set up multiple LLCs, and each one needs to be completely separate. That means a different company name, a unique email address, and its own dedicated business bank account. With that, you're going to get an EIN for each one, and that is your employer identification number, basically the tax ID for business purposes. After you have the EIN, you can move on to opening a US business bank account for each LLC. When you open an AdSense account with an LLC, the revenue needs to be paid out in a bank account in the name of the LLC as well. Personally, the banks I prefer are Mercury and Relay. They're very foreigner friendly, and the onboarding process is straightforward, and they allow for remote opening. You also have platforms like Slash or even Wise, which can support US business entities as well. So overall, the entire setup from forming the LLC to having a working US bank account can be done completely online. But for this video, I'm going through this part a bit faster. But I do have a dedicated step-by-step video where I show you exactly how to set up the LLC properly and also how to apply for your US AdSense account with everything explained. I'll leave that link down below in the description. So once your LLCs are set up, you create the business AdSense accounts for each company. You basically go through the setup, you link your bank account, and once that is done, you're basically good to go. From there, you can link all your YouTube channels to each account. Now, there are a couple important things to understand here. First of all, this is a completely legal structure that YouTube and Google accept. Large media companies use setups like this across hundreds or even thousands of channels. And when it comes to the cost, a lot of people think this is very expensive. But setting up a US LLC is usually around $400. So if you're doing 10K, 20, or even 50K a month across multiple channels, that's basically a cheap insurance policy. Because compared to losing everything overnight, it just makes sense. At least for me. Now the big question is taxes. Do you suddenly have to pay taxes in the US because you have a US company? And the answer is no. The reason for that is because a US LLC is what is called a pass-through entity or tax transparent. So let's say you make $10,000 with AdSense inside your LLC. That income doesn't get taxed at a company level in the US, but instead it passes through to you personally. That means you reported income and pay taxes in your country of residence, not through the LLC itself. And that is exactly why this structure is so popular. Now, even though you're not necessarily paying taxes in the US, you still have to file an annual information return with the IRS, which is called Form 5472. Now, this is purely informational, you're not paying tax with it, but you are reporting your business activity. Now, this is not that difficult, and I'll go deeper into this in the dedicated video as well, which again, I will link down below. And here's the biggest point I want to leave you with. You are not just a YouTuber, you are running a media business. Real businesses don't put all their assets into one vulnerable account. They structure things properly, they manage risk, and they build systems that protect their income. And that is exactly what is it. So if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to actually file the LLC paperwork and get this structure set up, I've linked everything down in the description below. And I'm curious, are you currently running all your channels to one AdSense account, or do you already have it separated? If this helped you, please leave a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.